It reminds me the introduction of Keanu Reeves during Matrix. Sorry, I don't speak yet correctly Thai, and it's the reason why I prefer to express myself in English today. Welcome to the press today. Thank you to be with us today. And thank you for my dear associates who are participating to this event this morning. I requested to have with us this morning 28 associates who are 28 years of service with us. So please, congratulations for all of you, for all of the team. And I take this opportunity especially to celebrate 45 years of service of Khun Sharansi. Voilà. So this morning I will take 20-25 minutes in order to introduce you the ambition, the first result of 2024, and I will let Khun Shakrit, my marketing director, to explain you more details the commercial dynamic concerning the anniversary. So TOPS, unlocking the future, every day discovers the best of omnichannel supermarket in Thailand. This is what we try to achieve every day, thanks to our associates, for our customers. 5 agenda, 28 years of infinite happiness, journey of success, how to become the leader experience for all, the become leader of the food experience for all, the campaign, and after we will finish with the Q&A. Let's go concerning the 28 years. First of all, Central Group, that I joined 5 years ago, is an amazing group, not only in Thailand, not only in Asia, but more and more with a strong footprint in Europe. Central Group is 3 pillars. Centara for all hospitalities, Central Patana for the shopping mall, and Central Retail Corporation, which TOPS is part of. Now you can see we are in Asia, more and more in Europe. You saw, you read a few weeks ago that Central Group took the acquisition of KaDeWe in Germany. What's about TOPS? TOPS, we finished the rebranding of TOPS in 2023. I will explain you a little bit more in detail in a few slides. Now, TOPS is one full umbrella brand, and below you have TOPS Food Hall in order to answer to premium expectation, not only premium customers, everybody is here in order to enjoy the shopping, but you have much more opportunity to find premium item from local, from SME, from Jinjai market, but with a lot of varieties coming from around the world. You have TOPS, previously it was TOPS Market. TOPS is our TOPS standard, more for the mass customers all over Thailand in 46 provinces, and our target is to answer positively to all the customer profile expectation, from promotion to price to assortment and to services. TOPS Deli, before we were speaking a little bit more about Family Mart in Central Food Group. We finish the rebranding of Family Mart to become TOPS Deli in November 2023. Now we have more than 500 TOPS Deli all over Thailand, and TOPS Deli became a TOPS hub near your house. TOPS Online, which is our online business, in order to create really an omni-channel company on the food retail. And you have the partnership that we developed in 2015 with Matsumoto Kiyoshi, who became Matsukiyo last year. These are our total brand. After, you have your own concept, and if you are part of our customer, you can see all these different logotypes in our stores. First of all, you have the food destination with Top C3 for Top Food Hall, with Attest concerning our Top store. You have Jinjai Market. This is a story we initiated a few years ago. Today we have more than 30 Jinjai Market in different provinces. Our target is to promote farmers and to promote their know-how. Today we sustain more than 11,000 households all over Thailand, thanks to Jinjai. And on the same spirit, you have Top Stone Team, with more on a small and medium enterprise. I consider that it was necessary to support the know-how of Thailand in different cities. Some are little companies, they don't have marketing departments, they don't know how to export, they don't know sometimes how to pack their beautiful product, and we are here in order to support their development. And after, you have all the different room concepts, Frozen & Co, Cuisine Masters, Pet & Me, Evergreen, which help the customer to understand that it's not only one supermarket. Our target, my target with my team, is to develop a reason to come in different areas of the store. I'm in produce, I'm in the baker, I'm in James the Butcher for butchery. All these three different categories are three different reasons to come in Tops. Our business portfolio, I already explained you in a few words. One part is online, one part is offline. All of them is omni-channel. You have the extended core, is what I explained you, with the different room concept. And this creates our full portfolio, our full offer for our customers. We have more than 700 stores in 46 provinces. We have more than 465,000 net sales area square meters, more than 200 million tickets. This is very important. 200 million transactions, 200 million tickets per year. It means that we welcome a lot of customers in our stores, and this thanks to our fantastic associates, 12,000 people working in our stores. I don't count all the different companies we are working with, but this creates a very big ecosystem. Our ecosystem is mostly in Great Bangkok. We have more than 400 stores today. South, with growing very fast, with Phuket, Samui. And after, you have East, Northeast, Central, between 50 and 100 stores, and West and North, between 10 and 20 stores. Totally, we have 700 stores. This story is quite long. It began in 1996 in RCA. This was our first store 28 years ago. In 2004, we were the first in Thailand to develop a loyalty card called Spot. Tops Spot. Okay, in 2004. In 2005, we opened the first Tops Premium in Chittagong. At that time, the banner was Central Food Hall. And 2 years later, we opened the first Tops Deli in Hong Kong, okay? Following in 2007, the same year, saying no to plastic bag. What a very important topic still today. We are in 2024. We were the first one to develop this mindset, and we have still to continue to insist on this sustainability. 2010, we opened Tops Online, one of the first in Thailand too, in order to create this offer to the customer, not to use his/her car, but to welcome the product at home. In 2015, I already had the opportunity to speak with you about it. We opened the first Matsumoto Kyoshi. It was the first step of our joint venture with Matsumoto Kyoshi Japan. And in 2018, we opened the first Jinjai market, which is a project to touch really my heart, because we support the farmers. I'm coming from a rural area in France too, and I know how it's important to support our farmers and to help them to improve their revenue. 2021, during the COVID, as it was more difficult for our customers to come to our stores, we developed a new service that we call personal shopper. It was existing already in central department store, but we wanted to test this project, and it's working very well. Omnichannel is not only offline and online, it's a service by call, by chat, where we can help the customer to find exactly what he wants to find. 22, we were the first one to launch Tops Prime, on the same spirit as Amazon Prime. It's working quite well, and our target is to bring Tops Prime as a pillar of our online development. And in 2023, we rebrand Tops after 27 years. So Central Food Hall become Tops Food Hall, Tops Market Tops, and Family Mart Tops Deli. Much more easier for us to communicate, much more easier for the customers and consumers to understand our services. So, this slide is speaking about the 4 success highlights of Tops. The first one is to be the first team on the market. This is a priority for me and my team, to bring every time something will be the first in Thailand, in order to develop a reason to come in our store. I'm going to Tops because they are the first in promoting a small and medium enterprise product in Thailand. I'm coming to Tops because they are the first in developing this relation with the farmers and helping them to increase their revenue. We are exclusive too, thanks to our assortment in own brand, most of them done in Thailand, and with all the imported products that we bring in our shelf. The second one, I already had the opportunity to speak about it, is omnichannel. A lot of time we are speaking about omnichannel. What are the results? In Tops, the results are very clear. Customers who are offline and online are growing the last 5 years by 2 digits. It means that if I take an example today, more and more of you are using online and going to shop offline, using offline and going to shop online. This is what we call the improvement of the loyalty. There is no only online from one side and offline. You know, during the COVID, everybody was expecting worldwide the end of the brick and mortar. People love to socialize. Stores are not only a place to shop. Stores are a place to speak, to share, to meet some people. We have so many associates who met some customers morning is the first connection that they have of the day. So our social responsibility is growing more and more stronger. The third one is a truly world class. I had the chance in my career to work in 6, 7 countries, to visit more than 30 countries in terms of supermarket, hypermarket, B2B, online, what they are doing, what we can copy, paste, improve. And it's what I said to my team and our associates, you can be proud about what we are doing here in Thailand, because really TOPS is a truly world class. I visit many times Europe when I return back to my hometown, and I tell myself, we are improving, we have a lot to do, but what we are doing in Thailand, it's really a top of what we can do on the supermarket. And the first one is a loyalty program. You cannot develop a future without developing this pride from the customer to visit us more and more. Our target is to increase the frequency of visit. We are working very hard on data mining. It's beautiful to have a database. After, we need to answer to each customer expectation, because all of you are totally different. Some of you will be more on produce-oriented, some of you will prefer a snack, some of you will be more in HBC, some of you in wine, and we have to answer specifically one by one to all of your requests. This is the first reason to success in TOPS. Our success means award. We received some awards this year. The first one was the Supermarket of the Year from a Retail Asia Award. The second one is a Global Brand magazine concerning the most trusted retail brand, the most innovative one, and the best customer experience. The third one, from the National Association of Convenience Store, the best convenience store of the year. And the fourth one is accessories. This one I dedicate to all my team. Without them, there is no CEO. So this award is for my ex-com and for my associates. What is TOPS? We will speak about the rebranding. I already began to speak about it. In 2022, it was only 4% of awareness. Okay, so you know we are doing a lot of survey, customer survey, every year, each month, to follow the satisfaction, to follow what we have to improve, because so far we are not perfect, we are aware, and we are working every day in order to improve it. And we had 4% of awareness in 2022. When we decided to rebrand TOPS, we reached 8% in 2023, and today we are at 10%. Our target is to reach 15%. Awareness is key. More awareness will increase, more customers will be aware about what we are doing, more they will visit us, more we will improve our ticket, more we will make sales. The second chapter is what are the performance year to date in 2024. I want to tell you that we are very happy about the performance in 2024. We increased the ticket count by 11%. Our ticket count, you have the like-for-like, current store, you have the renovation, what you create by renovate your store. For example, we renovate Banquet. A few days ago, we renovate La Crabon. A few days ago, this create additional customer flow in our stores. And you have the new opening, expansion. This creates the three components of the ticket count. Double digit is a good performance. I hear sometimes that the economy in Thailand is difficult. Today, we can say that in TOPS, we are very happy about the performance, and we'll continue to go on the second half. This ticket count is bringing from 10% of new customers. With Tops Daily, with bringing more and more new customers, not only in touristic area, but in Bangkok, in the other provinces, and with Tops large format, means Tops Food Hall and Tops, where we see a very strong dynamic in terms of new customers too. And it's the reason why, thanks to these good two indicators, we plan to accelerate the multi-format expansion. Multi-format, it means that where we have the opportunity in some catchment area to open a Tops Food Hall or a Tops, we'll open a Tops Food Hall. When we have an opportunity to open a Tops Daily, 200, 150 square meters, we'll open a little convenience store. This is a multi-format strategy per city and per catchment area that we set up 1 year ago. I was speaking about new opening stores. We opened totally 5 new stores, and we upgrade 1 Tops to Tops Food Hall in Bangkok, in Nong Ming Ji. I invite you to visit the store, and why not to shop in our new Tops Food Hall. So the first store that we opened this year was in Ratpatana, new concept, in a little community mall with around 20 tenants. The second one was Central Nakhon Sawan, Ratana Tibet, Central Nakhon Pathom, and the last 2 ones, a few weeks ago, Nirvana Porsche, and the upgrade on Tops Food Hall concerning Nong Ming Ji. Tops Daily, it's necessary for me to speak about it because the job done by the team in very few months was amazing, and to change more than 500 stores in 3 months, to move from Family Mart to Tops Daily, to think about the new business model, the new commercial model, it was an amazing journey with all the small format team. And the performance is going very well. We finish in November 23 to renovate all the stores, to rebrand all the stores. We set up what we learned in the large format is what we call the room concept. So when you go on the small format, on Tops Daily, you can see arigato, you can find a snacker, you can find looks, you can find cooking essential, and this helps us in order to work as a team with strong synergies inside the company. And it's the reason why we will accelerate the expansion, or in company owned, or in a franchise. Tops Online, we just finished the replatforming. Our replatforming, what does it mean in a customer point of view, is normally we are improving the customer journey when the customer uses our Tops Online apps. And we have already good results with 9 points of improvement in terms of customer satisfaction. This, thanks to this 3 pillars, Tops Prime, I already spoke about it, I will go a little bit more in detail on the next slide. Second, because we are exclusive in terms of assortment from small and medium enterprise coming from Thailand and from imported items. And the third one, we try to develop a Tops Online which is a reflect, which is the image of what we are doing in our stores. It means that we develop concept stores inside our online. What's about Tops Prime? And why Tops Prime is working very well? Today, we are doing more than 60% of our business with Tops Prime. After less than 2 years. We are going very fast because the customer is totally happy about what we are proposing to him. What do we have to propose to him? First of all, privilege. We have special discount. And each customer win 2 times the T1 point. The second is the best assortment, more than 40,000 SKU. And on top of that, when you are TOPS primer, you have some exclusive item during a certain period. So when you are a normal customer of TOPS Online, you cannot access immediately to this product. And the third one, which is key, is the best service, priority of picking and delivery with an exclusive in-store service. Matsukyo, which is our joint venture, opened in Accra in 2015. We already opened 10 branches in 2017. We rebrand in 2022, or 2022 was a rebranding of all the different banners under TOPS. We launched the omnichannel in August 23. We will open 5 stores in 2024, and we are accelerating in terms of expansion too. We are living together since 9 years. I'm speaking about living together because it's a common life that we have with Matsumoto Kyoshi. We adjust our commercial model and business model the last 3 years, and now we see a strong improvement of the customer satisfaction. How to become leader of the food experience for all? Become the leader of food experience for all. What does it mean? You cannot answer exactly to the customer the same way when you are living in Bangkok, you are living in Pitsanulok, you are living in Mae Sot, or you are living in south of Thailand. We need to have a tailor-made proposal in terms of assortment and in terms of service according to each store. This is the food experience for all. And this food experience for all will bring TOPS to more than 1,000 stores in 2027. Our growth is increasing in 2024, as I told you, and we plan to capitalize on the TOPS rebranding in order to accelerate the next 3 years. I will let our customers to give some comment about TOPS. This will help me after to develop the next chapter. Please.
นึกถึงสินค้าที่นำเข้าที่ค่อนข้างเยอะครับ
ค่ะที่สาขาของไทยค่ะมีช่องทางการจับจ่ายที่หลากหลายค่ะรู้สึกว่าสะดวกมากขึ้นค่ะเขามีชื่อเสียงในการบริการใส่ใจลูกค้าอยู่แล้วค่ะโดยเฉพาะสินค้าที่เป็นสินค้าอินพอร์ตค่ะก็คือสามารถมาดูได้ราคาก็คุ้มค่ากับเงินของเราค่ะ
ตอนนี้ก็มีช็อปเปอร์ครับที่ทำให้เราช้อปปิ้งได้อย่างสะดวกมากขึ้นเลยครับ
Some comments from our customers to explain that we move from the premium supermarket to what we call now TOPS, T for truly world class, O for omnichannel, P for pleasure, and S for sustainability. This will be possible thanks to the actions that we are doing at store level and in store support center. So let's go one by one. Our truly world class, as I told you, is a part of look and feel, is a part of service, is a part of assortment. It's clear that we developed since the last 15 years strong partnership with some retailers all over the world. We have, for example, a partnership with Carrefour, with Coles, with E-Mart in Korea, with Kirkland in US, and Waitrose in UK. This creates really a destination and reason to come in our store. Another reason to come in our store is our Discover events. For example, 2 months ago, we were the first one to develop, discover Spain. Fantastic country, with a culinary footprint which is amazing, and it's the reason why we decided with my team to bring much more assortment from Spain and to bring this event in our tops. The second one is omnichannel. Whatever, whenever, wherever, we need to be an omnichannel. Our omnichannel is a part of offline, with our 700 stores, is a part of online managed by yourself, Tops Online, shop via Tops app by yourself with Tops Prime. You have shop now thanks to Grandmart, which is a very strong partner since 5 years. We shop via marketplace platform, for example, TikTok, very trendy, big increase in terms of sales, big increase in terms of communication too, and personal shopper, as I told you, with more than 500 associates who speak every day, each minute, with our customers. This helps us to answer to all the different questions. I received a question a few months ago asking me why people would like to speak with the personal shopper when they can shop offline and when they can shop online. No more, no less, because the food retail is a social industry where people love to speak each other. The tech will be a support for us on the future, but it will never replace this connection with our associates. Our ambition in terms of expansion is to open more than 100 stores the next 100 stores per year the next 3 years. Today, or at the end of 2024, we'll have 20 Tops Food Hall, more than 150 supermarkets under Tops banner, more than 520 Tops Deli between the convenience store and the mini market, Tops Wine Cellar, which is a new business that we are developing and we are accelerating, and Matsukyo with more than 25 outlets. All this is possible thanks to the 14 wonders that we have in our portfolio. And we don't speak about category, we speak about wonders. It's a 360-degree performance every day. In terms of organization, our merchandise team is managing each wonder with the support of the marketing team in order to develop the storytelling, and with the support of operation in order to improve the excellency in terms of operation at store level. I will take 3 examples. One is concerning Fresh. Fresh is a traffic builder for Tops. We are increasing our sales participation since the last 5 years. More you increase the Fresh sales participation, more you build the loyalty, more you increase the confidence of the customer. We do it by increasing the product coming from GI, thanks to our GI market. We are the most important importer in some category of fruits, for example, cherry. Okay, and this between the Thailand production and what we are importing create a clear destination for the customers. The second one is snackers. And the snack performance is quite incredible because we have 2 times market share in snack compared to our market share company. So this is clearly a destination. Why? Because we answer to all the customer expectation, from the price point to product coming from all over the world. And this is a reason why we created this wonder, which is every time positioned near our checkout. The layout of our tops, Tops Foodle, Tops Deli are analyzed each month according to the performance, and you can visit our store. All the stores are built exactly the same in order to bring the most important awareness per category. The third one is a wine cellar. We developed a test 2-3 years ago in Rouen, in a standalone. It's growing quite fast, it's working quite well, and we'll continue to accelerate our expansion. Today we have 40 shop-in-shop in our Tops Foodle and Tops, but now we begin to open in standalone. First in and exclusive is what I told you on the first slide. Yes, we are exclusive with more than 20 own brands and 70 fancy brands that you can find only in Tops. This is a reason to come. I'm going to Tops because I find mom shoes product. I love this item. I cannot find somewhere else, so I'm going to Tops. It's like that we develop the loyalty. It's like that we increase the customer satisfaction. And without our associates, we will not be today here. We have 12,000 associates with a long year service. They are the history and the future of this company, and to celebrate an anniversary without asking some of them to join us today would not be correct. Our company is more than a retail food company, it's a people company, and if we want to win all together, it will be thanks to our stores. So it's the reason why we developed this program 1 year ago. It's what we call the yes people. Is what I advise all my team to say to the customer, because without customers, our company will not exist. So by definition, all the questions, all the requests from customers need to be answered by a yes. If it's not possible today, it will be yes in few hours, but we need to improve our service. This is the key of differentiation that we can bring tomorrow on the Thai market. For sure, we will bring technology, we will bring AI, but our target is to let our associates to give more of their time to speak with the customers. Last but not least, sustainability. Very important topic. In Thailand, all over the world. Me too, I'm living in a little village on the seaside, and sometimes, unfortunately, I have to collect the plastic on the beaches, and I tell myself, what are we doing for the next generation? Or you know, small acts together could help to live in a better world on the future. What I have in my hand today is a biodegradable packaging. Thanks to this, we are making 40%, 40 tons of packaging economy per year. I anticipate, because I was a little bit emotional with the sustainability. We have totally 12 journeys. I will go directly to the document concerning this, and I will come back later. Voilà. This helps us in order to become much more sustainable. This mindset takes time. We are now accelerating, and our target is to move faster and bigger on the sustainable packaging. In terms of sustainability, we don't do only in terms of packaging. We are participating on different topics. One of them is concerning the carbon footprint. We are going on EV truck. We plan to have 29 trucks for the next 5 years in order to decrease our carbon footprint. The second one is concerning ginger and Topstone tin. I already spoke about it, but when we visit the farmers in their farm, on their community, and when they tell us, look, thanks to your initiative, we multiply by 3 our revenue, I tell myself, we are helping little bit all the community, and our target is from little bit to help more and more days after days. The third one is concerning our partnership with UNICEF. I was in Ayutthaya 2 weeks ago visiting one school with UNICEF, and we are with UNICEF associates since 2019 concerning Every Child Can Read campaign, which is quite emotional, especially when we visit the second and third tier cities, the rural area, where we can see that our support brings a lot to the community. I already spoke about this project. Concerning the donation, another topic which is very important in terms of sustainability, when we speak about the food industry, most of the time we speak about waste. This is something true. Less and less compared to 30 years ago when I began my career on the retail food. Now, managers, associates are totally conscious about the fact that we can help with our food surplus. Is what we are doing with the picture on the middle of this slide with SOS. We already donate more than 6 million of meal since 2019. We support some associations in Clontoy, in Mysot, some orphanage too, and this helps us to be more proud about what we are doing every day with this association. It was the presentation that I wanted to share with you today. We'll have the opportunity to have Q&A just later, and now I will let Khun Chakit to introduce the commercial dynamic concerning the anniversary. Thank you so much.